This video I'm going to show you two makossa lines I played, okay, that are going to sound better in your playing, okay, in your makossa playing. So without wasting up time, if you know that is the first time watching my video, okay, hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this, okay. So for today, I just want to use my acoustic to show you this, and I'm going to do it in the key of C. This is the key of C, and the third string. Okay, do re mi fa sol la si. So we have the key of C here also, okay, on this straight chord. Normally the makossa chords are always 1, 4, 5, 4, 1. This lick now, the first lick I played that. So I play from the do, so, mi, re, do, la. Okay, start from do, so, mi, re, do, la. Okay. Then I play va, mi. Okay, play va, mi, re, do, la, ti. So I slide from the la to the ti, la, ti. Okay. La, ti. Now going to the saw chord now. Okay. I'm trying to go to the saw chord now. So I play from the la. I play from the la, so, mi, re, ti, la, so, mi, re, ti. Okay. La, so, mi, re, ti. And I play va again. Okay. Because it's just like playing do, va, so, va. Okay. So play. Okay, so that is the first lick I play. So the second lick I play. So I play from, I hold my saw and do here. Hold my saw and do. So I strum the two. Va, la, va, la, re. Now switch it and slide to the saw from the va and la. I strum the two notes there to the saw and ti. So ti, okay. Do. Okay, this time around come to the do. So this is it. Okay, that is it. So with time I'm going to show you more simple makossa licks. You're going to be applying your 1, 5, 1, 4, 5, 4 makossa chord progression. Okay. So that is it. Whatever you don't understand, hit me up in the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. Okay, thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.